So what's going on, guys? Hope you're all staying safe and having a great day. As you can see, we got a package. I actually got this yesterday and I didn't have time to open it or set it up. So I figured I'd show you guys what I got. One more 3070 that I obviously paid too much money for, but I got a way better deal than I would have normally. I hate this foam. Let's open this bad boy up. It should be brand new, directly from Zotac. Wasn't opened. Not opened. Excellent. Figured I'd bring you guys an unboxing since I didn't unbox the last one on camera. I unboxed it live. So let's open her up. It's always exciting opening a new GPU, isn't it? Alright. Hardest part though is not ruining the box, because the box inside is so tight. Nice. Open her up. You know, one thing I noticed about these cards is Zotac seems like they were in such a rush. Like they just slammed these things in bags and crushed them into the box because clearly they're trying to make up for lost time. But here we have it. One more 3070. Excellent. Now we need to get this thing plugged in immediately because I can't stand to not have this thing hashing when ETH is up this high. I think it hit $3,500 today. Look at that. They didn't even give me a damn guard for the PCIe. What? That's messed up. That's not even right. Wow, I'm kind of disappointed in Zotac right now. I love Zotac cards. And that's aggravating. There should be a guard on this. It's a brand new GPU. There's no excuse for that not to have a guard. That's BS. And it's not in the damn bag. Yep, it's definitely not in the bag. Well, that's messed up. But, anyway. And then look at this. It comes with, what the hell is this? Comes with a plug. Why in the world would you want to feed this thing with 4 6-pin adapters? What? That is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. What? I didn't even realize that's what those were. So clearly, those go into the 8 pins. If you guys can see the 8 pin right there. Apparently, this is meant to go into... Let's open this up and show you. So apparently this right here is meant to go into the card. It's an 8 pin. And then they're by 2 6-pins. That's the weirdest thing. Like, why would you? I guess if you're using a breakout board and 6-pin male by 6-pin male, that might be useful. But like, that's literally, instead of 2 8-pins, which is already ridiculous, they want you to have 4 6-pins. That's just, I don't know, that's outrageous to me. But yeah, we're gonna put that back in there because we're definitely not doing that. Like, look at those ETH prices. How could I leave this thing in the box a second longer? Alright, so let's grab some GPU risers from GPUrisers.com. These things are fantastic. And they are white, which is even better. Alright, so I only need this and the cord. Alright, so I'll leave that in the bag because I don't need that. That can stay in there with the rest. Look at that, I still have 3 risers left in there. That's pretty sweet. Okay, so I'm going to put this card on that riser, on this newly designed tabletop mount that looks fantastic, by the way. I haven't really showed it off yet, but I feel like right now is a great time to do it. So we have a Misfit Mining tabletop mount. I had Baldini design this for us for the blower style cards and cards that people had like heat issues with, because obviously, you know, the normal GPU hangers that we created are just plastic. So this right here is also just plastic, but the weight is not hanging on, you know, the actual, it's not being supported by the plastic, it's just kind of resting on the riser and being held right here. So that's the idea here. Anyways, these X's can still be broken out, and yeah, I mean, this thing's awesome. I love how we put the on it. It's so great. For the guy that's copying us, enjoy, buddy. I know you'll be making this in like 10 minutes. But anyways, there is a slit fully across the bottom side here, so you guys can drive a zip tie on the right or the left, or directly in the center of where those pins are on the GPU, to zip it down to your wire X so it doesn't move. That was the best option. I didn't think it was smart to put an actual like snap-on mount on the bottom, because I wanted to be able to put this thing flat on my desk if I wanted to. So let's get this thing set up. I'll show you how it works. Let's throw the riser on. I'm interested to know, what kind of risers do you guys use? These are the new white risers from GPUrisers.com. Vistang sent this over to me to give them a test, as you guys have seen previously, and they work great. All right. Nice zip screw with a washer built onto it, holding that GPU nice and tight, just so you guys can see that even the tabletop mount's pretty secure. But yeah, so I need to hook this up right now to this REBTECH board. I'm basically just gonna throw the USB into there, grab some power from the server PSU, and let's get this thing hashing. All right, let me grab a couple cords in 1 second. All right, so I got 2 6-pin male by male, and then I have a female by male extension, just so I can run from the breakout board up to this shelf here. So let's grab the GPU, and I think I'm just gonna place it pretty much in the back like that, just for now, so the USB will reach down to the REBTECH, and then I can pull power from there. Alright, we're going to shut down the breakout board. Alright, rig's off. There she is, all plugged in. We have the 2 6+2 pins going on the top of the card. The USB is going down to the REBTECH motherboard into the 5th GPU slot. Then I have the riser powered, and everything's going to the breakout board. I just kind of slung it across because this ain't staying here, so I just want to get it up and running for the night. Power this bad boy up. Alright, let's get into Hive and let's see how good we can get this thing hashing. Actually, what's odd is that one's not spinning at all. And I was gonna say all the other ones are, but never mind, they stopped. This thing's probably gonna take a second to start up. There it is. Alright, now she's ramping up. I was gonna say, That was taking a little bit of time, but all right, they all just ramped up. Let's get into Hive. I want to see what this thing looks like. All right, so we're in Hive. We're in the wife's farm. As you can see, we have the new 3070 right down here, and it's pulling 61.36. I actually put the absolute core clock in. If you guys saw Red Panda's video, I'll leave a link in the description for that. He made a excellent, and I mean excellent, video about the absolute core clocks. Doing this has saved a decent amount of wattage. Actually, on my 3060s, I saved like 30 watts per card. Absolutely unbelievable. But I have 1150 on the absolute core clock, 2350 on the memory clock, 60 on the fan, 115 power limit, and then obviously I just clicked apply, and this thing is reading 113 watts at 61.36 mega hash. So I could probably bump this up to 2400 memory. As you can see, the other 3070, which is a MSI Gaming Trio, that is at 2700 memory. It runs very smooth at -200. The absolute core clock actually made this one go down 5 watts, but it dropped the mega hash like 4. So it went down to like 118-ish, a little less. I just wasn't having it, so I didn't do that. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is all working perfectly fine. If you guys appreciate this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Also, we do have the free Discord group called Misfit Mining. We'd love to have you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time.